Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. My name is Inshalbek and like previously we have done many of the things using different languages and I hope you all enjoy all the things which we have done yet. So today video will be also really helpful and I hope you will be learning things from today's video also because it will be giving you help from start to end. So remember to see this video if you want to learn how to build this amazing project because today video will be really special and I hope you will be enjoying today's video. So like I'm telling you previously we have done many of the JavaScript parts video in which we have learned many of the projects related to JavaScript and I hope you enjoy all the things which we have done yet. So today also we will be doing another project using JavaScript and we will be building the different project of JavaScript. So today's video will be really helpful and I hope you will be enjoying today's video because it will be giving you help moving forward. So today we will be just building an amazing project and I'll be telling you how to remove elements from the DOM. Previously we have learned how to add elements into the DOM. Today I'll be telling you how to remove elements from the DOM and we'll be building an amazing project by just using this removing elements to the DOM, and I'll be telling you what the project will be. We'll be building an amazing custom music player like previously we have built custom video player using many different tags. So today we will be using removing element from DOM and we will be building an amazing custom music player by using this tag. So remember to see this video if you want to learn how to build this amazing custom music player, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit a like to this video, and if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button and also share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. And I hope you'll be enjoying all the future videos also which I'll be uploading because that will give you help moving forward, and I hope you'll be enjoying all the future videos also which will be really helpful. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to build this amazing project and how to use this amazing JavaScript tag of removing elements from the DOM and how to build an amazing project of custom video player using this project. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing custom music player using the tag of removing elements from the DOM. So now we'll be starting to build our project. So for building this, here I will be opening my VS Code text editor. Now when you've opened this, here I will be opening my folder directly through my desktop. So here I will be closing all these things, opening new window. So here I will be now opening new window, closing the previous one. Now here you have to close this one also. So when you have opened this, here I will be opening my folder which is created on my desktop with the name of removing elements from the DOM. So here I will be selecting this folder. Now when you've written all this stuff, here I will be moving. Then after moving here, I will be just now moving in this tag. Then here you have to just place these all stuff. Now when you've written this, you have to save. Then you have to move in this tag. Then you can see we are getting all this stuff here. When you're getting these all things, here I will be now just moving to this file. Then you have to press Ctrl B to close the side panel. Here when you've written, I will be moving to this tag here. Then I will be opening through my desktop. So here this is my folder and this is my file. So here I've opened. Now we are just only getting the gradient color and all the things has been removed. So here I will be doing it side by side like this. So you can see now we have written these all things. Then when you've written these things, just I will be moving under this tag here of body. Then here you have to just write a div class wrapper. Then you have to write here div class top bar like this. Then you have to move down, right here itag class. Then I'll be writing here material icons. Then you have to move in center, right here expand more like this. Now here you have to write span tag, right here now playing like this. Then you have to move right here itag class material icons. Then I will be writing more or is like this. Then when you've written this, save, and here you have to reload. So you can see now we are getting this now playing here written. Then when you're getting this thing, just here I'll be writing div class image area. Then right here image. Then here I will be writing div class. Then I'll be writing here song details. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down, right here p tag class name. Then I will be writing here p tag class. Then here I'll be writing artist. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing div class progress area. Then I will be writing div class progress bar. Then I will be writing audio. Then I will be just writing here id is equals to main audio. Then right here source, and here I will be writing div class. Then right here song timer, and here I will be writing span class, and here I will be writing current time. Then here I will be writing 0 0. Then I will be just moving down, right here span tag class. Here I will be writing max duration. Then I will be just writing here 0 0. Then write here div class controls. Save this. Then here I will be reloading. You can see we are getting all this stuff. So when you are getting this, here I will be moving. Then after moving here, I will be writing div class controls id repeat. Then here I will be writing this, and here you have to write class material icons. Then write here title, and here I'll be writing playlist loop like this. Then in center here I'll be writing repeat. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing id pref class. Then here I will be writing material, and then right here icons, right here skip previous. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing div class, right here play pause like this. So when you've written this, here I will be now writing here itech class, right here material icons. Then here I will be writing play, and here you have to write play arrow like this. Then here I will be writing id next. Then right here class material icons. Then right here skip next. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing I. Then here you have to write id more music. So here I'll be writing more music, right class material icons like this. Then in center I'll be writing q music. So here I'll be writing, then save this. Here you have to reload. So here now you can see we are getting this music icon from here. So when you are getting this, here I'll be writing div class music list. Then I will be writing here div class adder. Then I will be writing div class, and here I'll be writing row. Right here write a class list material. So here I'll be writing icons. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing q music like this. Then here I will be writing, here span tag, which should be music list. And then right here id close, right here class material icons. Then I will be writing here close. Here you have to save, reload. Now you can see we are getting this. So here when you're getting these all stuff, I will be moving in this tag. Then you have to close the ul tag here. So here I will be closing the ul tag. Now when you've written this thing, just here I will be opening the ul tag here, then moving down. Here you have to move down after this. Right here sarc.js/music -list. Then right here is script post.js/script. Save. Then you have to reload. So here you can see now we are getting, if I show you by full screening it, so you can see this is the thing. And when you will be playing the music, so you this is the design here which we have built, and like this we have built this music player. This is not containing any of the image, just it is containing this slider which is moving. Then we are containing this free icon and this music player design. Just I want to show you how to design this music player and how to just build this amazing custom music player. We have just used removing elements from the DOM, and because of that we have removed this image also by using the removing elements to the DOM project in JavaScript, and we have built this amazing custom music player by using this amazing project. So I hope you understand how we have just used this amazing project of removing elements from the DOM and how we have built this amazing custom music player. So if you have understand and enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit subscribe on this channel, and after subscribing hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future videos. Also share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things, and I hope they will be enjoying also these videos like you are enjoying. So just I'll be doing next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.